Hey there, Slingshot owners. Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our thermal R&D luggage racks, the 2017 and up Polaris Slingshot. Now, the one thing you'll immediately notice after owning a Slingshot is the lack of onboard storage, especially for how large of a vehicle it is. You're really just limited to your overnight storage bins behind each seat, but even then, many of you are already utilizing that storage space for subwoofer enclosures. So with the idea of more storage space in mind, we partnered up with a team over at Thermal R&D to bring you these. These luggage racks are made right here in the USA and mount up to the factory holes that are already on your 2017 and up Polaris Slingshot roll bars. The racks are all aluminum and powder coated in a satin black finish and include a swivel feature, allowing you to quickly and conveniently gain access to your storage bags, also making it extremely convenient when it comes time to refuel. Now, we understand that you're not going to be traveling all the time, so these luggage racks feature a quick release pin, allowing you to easily remove each luggage rack when you're not traveling. And then, when it's time for your next road trip, simply reinstall each rack by reinserting the pin. Now, you can run any luggage bag you want with these racks, but to make it easier on you, they've been specifically designed to pair up with our Nelson Rig touring bags. These Nelson Rig bags fit perfectly and are expandable, allowing you to fit a few days worth of clothes in each bag, or even a full-size helmet. They also feature a backpack strap for easy transport when you arrive at your destination, and a rain cover to keep everything dry even in the harshest conditions. Now, if you decide to go with the Nelson Rig luggage bags, I'll be showing you how to mount those up to the racks a little bit later. But first, I want to talk to you a little bit about compatibility. These racks have been designed so that they're compatible with our SSV-Works rear DECCOM speaker pods, so you don't have to sacrifice your sound system for additional storage. They're also compatible with our Slingline's modular rooftop system, our Bullet Speed V-back canvas rooftop, and both allow the Nelson Rig bags to be fully expanded. And of course, since these are Thermal R&D luggage racks, they're also compatible with the Thermal R&D Raptor rooftop system. They're even compatible with the Thermal R&D overhead storage bin, shown here with a soft cooler bag. So now that you know what these racks are all about and what they're compatible with, allow me to walk you through the installation process. Start by tilting your passenger seat forward and unscrewing the 3 black plastic caps from the front of the roll hoop. Then take the roll hoop bracket with the pivoting hinge on the right and the plate with 3 screw holes facing forward, and carefully slide the mounting bracket over top of the roll hoop and down so that all 3 holes line up. Next, take the screws with the flat washer and star washer and screw them in through the front plate and into the roll hoops, tightening them down with a 4mm Allen, making sure not to over tighten. Now take the luggage rack with the pivoting hinge on the right and line it up so that you can slide the pivoting rod in through the top and all the way down until it stops. And then just repeat that for the other side. Tilt the seat forward and unscrew those 3 black plastic caps. Then slide the roll hoop bracket on over top. Line up the 3 screw holes. Insert the screws and tighten them down, making sure not to over tighten. Align the luggage rack on the pivoting hinge and insert the rod all the way down until it stops. So to mount the bags to the rack, start by connecting two of the mounting straps together by inserting one strap buckle through the end loop of another, and then inserting the same buckle through its own end loop and pulling the knot tight. And then just do the same thing for the other two straps. Now take one of the straps and insert the buckles down through the front two slots in the rack. And then take the other strap and insert the buckles up through the rear two slots. Then drop in your luggage bag and attach the buckles. Pulling the straps tight from underneath. Now unbuckle and remove your bag so that you can roll up the excess slack in your straps and secure them in place with the elastic bands. Now that your straps are at the perfect length, you can reinsert your bag and buckle it in.
One of the things we really love about thermal R&D is their attention to detail. Each rack includes rubber bump stops to prevent rattling, as well as a tension adjustable latching mechanism. To adjust the tension on the latch, simply loosen the hex nut and adjust the Phillips head bolt a few turns, which will be righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And then once you're happy with the desired latch tension, simply tighten back down the hex nut to lock it in place. And there you have it, folks. You're now ready to hit the open road with peace of mind that you had enough storage space for that extra pair of drawers you may need along the way. So if adding additional storage space to your Polaris Slingshots on your mod list, be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a set for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time.